A level is one of the most essential tools for ensuring precision in any project. But with so many types to choose from, how do you know which one is right for the job? Let's start with the most common type, the spirit level. These are versatile tools used for general purpose tasks like hanging shelves, aligning cabinets, or framing walls. They come in various sizes, from small 6-inch models to 8-foot or larger versions for larger projects. Torpedo levels are compact and lightweight, making them perfect for tight spaces. If you're working on plumbing, electrical installations, or metal surfaces, the magnetic edge on many torpedo levels will come in handy. For outdoor projects like fencing or landscaping, a line level is a great choice. It attaches to a string to help you align posts or borders over long distances. Just keep in mind, it's less precise than other levels. Need something heavy-duty? A box beam level is the way to go. With its rigid frame, it's perfect for tasks like masonry, concrete work, or framing where durability is key. On the other hand, I-beam levels are lightweight and affordable, great for general-purpose use when portability is more important than durability. Looking for precision? Digital levels are equipped with displays that provide exact measurements in degrees, percentages, or pitch. They're perfect for tasks like installing ramps or staircases where accuracy is critical. And for large-scale projects, a laser level is your best bet. It projects a laser line onto a surface, ideal for tiling, drop ceilings, or aligning fixtures over long distances. So, how do you choose the right level? First, consider the project. For general indoor tasks, go with a spirit or torpedo level. For outdoor work, use a line or laser level. For heavy-duty construction, stick with a box beam level. And for tasks requiring precision, opt for a digital level. Don't forget to check your level's calibration before use. Place it on a flat surface. Note the bubble's position. Flip it 180 degrees and make sure the bubble stays in the same spot. And always keep your levels clean to maintain accuracy. Choosing the right level ensures your projects are straight, precise, and professional. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips to make your projects easier and more accurate. Till next time.